Okay, this is another hair tutorial. As I said in my other one, crap, where's my other one? Okay, that's not what I said in my other one. I'm trying to find my hair. That makes me mad. Use that one. What you need for this is a towel and a conditioner of your choice. But I'm using Fall White. You're going to put it in your roots. Leave it in for a few hours. I almost leave it in. Let's see what time it is. It is 5:33. I'll probably leave it in for a couple hours. Maybe for like until 6 or 7. So I get a shower. And you want to keep it up in that towel so that it can sort of stay up in that. I do mix it, so I need to go to get a bowl. I will be right back. Okay. You can either just use your hands to do this, or I'm using a paintbrush. Okay. I have this here a sleek blow drying look for whenever you blow dry your hair. It helps. I'm adding some to this conditioner. I put it on my hand instead. So, and then I'm gonna put some into my bowl here. About not that much, and then some water. Water, either. You probably will have to add some depending on how much you put in there. I didn't put in that much. I'm adding some of that frizz stuff too. Okay. I'm also gonna be doing like this. I would do it twice a week only because you don't want your hair to get greasy, and this will make your hair greasy. Trust me. Okay, I'm gonna take that and just on my roots, take it and go like that. By the way, there's something the matter with YouTube on the subscription bar. So yeah, it like won't let you subscribe or anything, so I'm not gonna be saying subscribe because it doesn't let you right now. I do not know why. At least me and my friend is not letting us. And by the way, as I said in my other video, the sun's coming back. So I got the top, and then there, just sort of massage it on your roots. So. And then push back here, and I'm actually going to do my whole hair thing. But this is the main parts that you sort of want. You don't have to do your whole. I know it looks like I'm dyeing my hair. Now since I have some left, I'm just gonna do as much as I can get. As much as I can buy. Now I'm gonna do the back. Try. I can't really see. The back. Yeah, the roots. It's like really gonna get your roots to not come out as bad either. Because I'm adding something in this too. It's a color thing. Right, and then I'm gonna go straight down there and roots with the rest of mine that I have left. Okay. Then I have this stain color thing. It says stain color, which the color that you get your hair dyed or something like that, you could, like, it stays in longer. So I have this. I'm just going to mix it up as purple. And now I'm going to put that in my roots. I did do this yesterday, letting you know I did try it before. If you do it in the roots, it's just going to, like, come out better. Okay, now I'm going to take my towel and put my hair back before. It goes all cuckoo.
Okay, fine. Here, I'm jumping in the shower. What are you putting on your head? What is that?
This.
Oh.
What did you think it was?
Well, why did Gene allow you to? He comes home. Don't let him in the bathroom. Let me see your face.
What's up?
Let me see your face. You have to do your face too. That's why we're getting in the shower. As soon as he'll come home, he'll come into the bathroom.
Okay. My mom did not know what that was. Like, what is that? Funny. Because it's purple. It probably looked like I was putting purple dye on my hair. I don't think so. I'd love to, but I don't think so. That's just a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna rinse out my bowl real quick. Oh, actually, just put it in the sink. Why not? I'm throwing everything around here. Bye.